Hello everybody, welcome to KwhOnlyEv channel. This is Ben guys. So today I have an accessory to review for my 2024 Kia EV9. So this review unit was sent to me by BestEVmod. So thank you to Chef BestEVmod for sending this for me to review. So this is a center console, the second row center console cup holder for 2024 Kia EV9, and this will also fit the 2024, 2025, 2026 Kia EV9. So just want to let you guys know that. Um, if you're interested in getting one of this, you can check out the Amazon store. I will post a link in the description. So also you can check out their store for other EV9s and other electric vehicle accessories that you might need. So check those items out on their Amazon page. So I will go ahead and open up this box so that you guys can see what's inside this box. I will be doing a review of this. So um, thank you for watching and check out all my other videos and for BestEVmod accessories that I've installed, that I've reviewed. Check those out and check them out. They're a very good product. I've had them for a few years now on my 2022 Kia EV6, some of them that I had, and on my 2024 Kia EV9. So check those items out. If you're viewing this channel for the first time, subscribe and like the video. Check out my other videos. Some of them are helpful, so check them out. And I appreciate you guys for watching. So let me go ahead and open up this box and see what's inside. All right, welcome back. So I'm about to open up this box. This is the first time I've opened up the box, just as you guys are taking a look at it. So initially I thought it was meant for the center console on the front, but this is a second row center console cup holder for the 2024, 2025, 2026 Kia EV9. So I will be opening up this box to see what's inside. So this is a cup holder. So let's go ahead and open it up. I still have my bus cutter blade. So this is came in handy. So let's see what we have here. And here is the cup holder. So this has the two sides cup holder. They are made of a TPE, material. So very soft, and it does not affect your EV9 center console or put any damage to it. So actually they do have the groove, like the design that EV9 has in their vehicle. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me get the light. So if you guys can see that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my 2024 Kia EV9, and I will explain the dimension of this cup holder. So works good if you have like two drinks and you don't want them to spill. Just regular cups for you to have, but this will help out a lot if you have two drinks that won't have to move around while you're driving and all that stuff. So let me go ahead and put this in my 2024 Kia EV9. So stay tuned for that. All right, so I do have the cup holder, and I'm about to place that in the second row, console cup holder. So as you can see, it went in seamlessly without no issue, and it fits in there. You can't even recognize that it is in there. As you can see, I'm putting my kids cups in there. Uh, they're travel cups. That's what I usually use whenever we go on a trip, so that it won't spill drink on the carpet. Even though the carpet does have is a waterproof carpet, which is BestEVmod all weather carpet floor mat. So just letting you know, and that's a regular bottle water right there. So I did have some other cups that I put in there, like restaurant cups that which fits in there without no issue. So as you can see there, they snuggle up inside the cup without no issue, and as you can see, they're fitting tight in there without any issue at all. So I'm gonna try other cups as well for you guys to see. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the cup holder. As you can see, it's snuggled in there, so I have to push it in a little bit just to pull it out. So I will go ahead and put in the coffee cup and also a carnival cup inside
the center console, the second row center console cup holder. As you can see, it is kind of moving around when I wiggle the cups in there. And I will go ahead and remove those cups and put back the cup holder so that you guys can see the difference and how it fits inside the center console. All right, so here's another cup, and I have a coffee cup or coffee mug, and I have another carnival cup over there that I put in there that fits in there without any issue, and it snuggle up in that cup holder. So this another cup that I put it in there without no issues. So if you're interested in getting one of these second row, second center console cup holder, I will post the link in the description, and also I will try and see if I can get a discount code for you guys to use when you order one. So if you're interested in checking out other videos as well that I've made on accessories from BestEVmod, I'll post those links in the description as well. So thank you for watching. Thank you to BestEVmod for sending me this review unit to review my 2024 KwhOnlyEv. So thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye bye.